morning, and welcome to another Fast Tracks webinar. I'm Kasera, your host for today. I'm a loyalty strategist here at Fast Track Solutions. This morning, I'll be telling you about FTX digital signage. I'll be going over how digital signage originated in the 1980s, how it revolutionized into what it is today, how Fast Tracks got involved in the digital signage industry, the best features of FTX digital signage, and the benefits of using digital signage in any industry. Fast Tracks webinars are a weekly event and happen every Friday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we go over all aspects of the Fast Tracks software. You can preview and sign up for all upcoming webinars, as well as view all previous webinars by going to our website, goftx.com, and choosing FTX Lifeline at the top of the page. Then scroll halfway down the page and choose the View Webinars button. You can also take the more direct route by typing goftx.com/webinars into your browser. You can sign up ahead of time and watch it stream live. Or you can watch any streamed or previously recorded webinar in our archive at your leisure. We here at Fast Track Solutions are working hard to build a comprehensive video resource library of webinars. And we encourage you to watch our videos as many times as you like. Pause, take breaks, take notes, and absorb them all at your own pace. If you are unfamiliar with Fast Track's digital signage, you can watch our previous webinar videos, shown here. If you haven't yet viewed our first webinar on setting up FTX digital signage and scheduling designs for display, you can find the recording on goftx.com/webinars. That was the first real introduction to digital signage, where we went over some of the most basic settings. Let's dive right in. Let's start by going over the history of digital signage. The industry first came to life in the 1980s and has been grown and evolved into all it is today. In its early days, business owners used VHS tapes, then DVDs, to loop branded content on CRT televisions rather than using printed signs. See, even back in the 80s, business owners knew that printed material is expensive and boring. As time went on, technology continued to advance and software and hardware became more affordable. At more affordable prices, more business owners were able to come on board. But with the more businesses using digital signage, come more concerns and questions. One of these concerns was keeping track of content, which eventually was solved by the development of content management systems, or CMS. This is when the industry we know it as today started taking shape. By 2015, the digital signage industry had already grown into a multi-billion-dollar industry. Users could stream content from a media player over the cloud directly to a flat-screen TV, video walls, and billboards. However, there was still a lot of issues that needed to be ironed out in 2015. Even in 2015, digital signage was fairly expensive and hard to install. In order to run, software needed to be installed on expensive hardware, and users were expected to install an on-site server to distribute content to the displays. CMS software was overly complicated, making staff training a nightmare. Users needed an on-site tech team to install the software and needed customized training sessions for daily users. These issues are precisely how FTX digital signage was born. We set out to build solutions that solved all of the issues of 2015's digital signage software. We wanted our digital signage to be revolutionary, user-friendly, and affordable. Our cloud-based solution allows users to manage their displays from virtually anywhere, rather than dealing with updating an on-site server. We built a beautiful CMS platform where users can design and assign displays to each of their digital signs. The FTX Media Player is a small PC with our digital signage app pre-installed, so all the user needs to do is plug it into their TV and push play. What's better yet? We saw the need for technical support and we have you covered. The Fast Track's Lifeline team is available to all of our customers 5 days a week, and support is always free. Now that we've covered the history of digital signage and how FTX digital signage came about, let's start going over the most flattering features of FTX digital signage. Feature 1 is going to be the easy setup and usability of our digital signage solution. Here is our branded box. Inside, you will find the FTX media player, a power cord, an HDMI cord, and an instruction manual. Each of these is key to getting your digital signage up and running smoothly. Let's talk media player. The FTX media player is an external Android media player that plugs into the back of your TV using an HDMI port. They require their own power source, and while you're free to use your own TV, each TV will require its own media player. Think of the media player as a tiny computer that runs your digital signage program. Each media player comes with the FTX Ad Player app installed already. This program will check for updates made to your digital signage displays and control center, and pulls new content based on the available information. Let's show you how to set up your digital signage box. First, you'll want to make sure that the TV you will be using is off, and that the Wi-Fi network you'll be connecting to is on. The media player requires an internet connection. Once you've plugged in the media player to your TV using the HDMI cord, and you have connected it to a power outlet, you can turn it on using this button. Next, turn on your TV. Remember which HDMI port you plugged the media player into, because this is where you'll need to go next. You will need to select the FTX Ad Player app and continue through the activation process before you can start syncing with digital designs. Feature 2 is going to be how easy it is to create and add designs to the display. Once you have activated the device and are connected to the internet, you can start adding designs to rotate on display. These can be for store promotions, new product announcements, manufacturer ads, updated store information, and so much more. With Fast Track's digital signage, you're in the driver's seat. It's super easy to set up your FTX media player and activate the FTX Ad Player app. But did you know with the FTX Ad Pro software, it can be just as easy to create engaging digital displays? With FTX Ad Pro, you can choose from thousands of already made templates for every industry and make them into your own branded designs. These templates are already sized to match the resolution and size of your TV. You can even automatically create a landscape design from a portrait design and vice versa using our orientation tools. FastTracks is currently offering a free trial of Ad Pro to all businesses in any industry until the end of 2020. Visit goftx.com/freeadpro to get started today. To learn more about Ad Pro, you can watch our previous webinars where we went over some of the most basic settings of Ad Pro. Feature 3 is going to be the Daypart and Mass Assign features. Now that we covered the basic features and ease of use, let's dive into some back-end features that will make your life a little easier as a business owner. We touched on Daypart briefly in feature number 2, but let's dive a little deeper. The Daypart feature gives you the ability to switch out displays depending on the time of day of the week, rush hours, and more. You simply schedule your different content for the time frame you want and hit save. That's it, you're done. You can sit back and watch as your content automatically changes from morning specials to the afternoon and into the evening. This is especially helpful for restaurant menus and special boards. Restaurant owners can upload their digital menu boards and schedule them to show during specific time frames for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Easily make changes to menu items by editing the design in Ad Pro and hitting save. Run out of a specific meal? No problem. Simply log in on any device connected to the internet, remove or cross out that menu item, hit save, and you're done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The Mass Assign feature makes it easy for store owners with multiple locations to update the signage on all displays at one time. Just as it sounds, Mass Assign allows the user to assign and update to all displays in the user group at the click of a button. Add, update, or remove a design from all displays all at once, no matter how many displays or stores you have. To close, I'd like to go over the benefits of digital signage. In an increasingly tech-driven society, in-store digital advertising captures consumer attention, driving sales with promotions and product education. Dynamic graphics and animation draw customers' eyes. Rotating digital advertisements allow multiple promotions to hit a single consumer at the optimum time to launch impulse buys. Take control of your promotions and increase your sales with Fast Track's digital signage. Use FTX digital signs and menus to promote slow-moving products and create awareness for new ones, all while simultaneously building store loyalty. Take advantage of sales trends by deploying ads immediately, eliminating costly print times. Broadcast digital ad content across multiple retail outlets quickly from anywhere using the Fast Track's Control Center. You can even schedule your ads days, weeks, months, or even years in advance, so you never miss a promotion. Fast Track Solutions digital signage includes a full suite of tools that will simplify your in-store marketing. FTX digital signage syncs with the Fast Track Solutions point-of-sale system to update pricing on your digital menus and signs automatically when you use the Products feature. POS customer-facing displays educate consumers on promotions, enticing them to make impulse purchases right at the register. Well, that's all I intended to cover today. I hope you've learned some new things, and I hope it helps you better use digital signage at its fullest capacity. We covered how digital signage originated in the 1980s, how it revolutionized into what it is today, how Fast Tracks got involved in the digital signage industry, the best features of FTX digital signage, and the benefits of using digital signage in any industry. If you have any questions about how to best utilize Fast Track software, you can always email us at info@goftx.com. As a reminder, these Fast Tracks webinars are weekly events and happen every Friday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can view all upcoming webinars by heading to our website, goftx.com, and choosing FTX Lifeline at the top of the page. Then scroll halfway down the page and choose the View Webinars button. You can also take the more direct route by typing goftx.com/webinars into your browser. This will load all of our previous webinars, where you can watch the recordings, as well as upcoming webinars with the option to sign up. I hope everyone has a great weekend and week ahead, and I hope you join us next week. Thanks for watching!